there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest purchasing decision. Today, we're putting two drones head-to-head in an aerial battle for your hard-earned cash. On the left, we have the Holystone GPS drone HS-175D, and on the right, the Temiz 4K drone. Which one will fly high and which one will crash and burn? Let's find out. First up, the Holystone GPS drone HS-175D. At $229, it's like the Gucci of drones. And then we have the Temiz 4K drone, coming in at a wallet-friendly $99. That's like finding a designer bag at a thrift store. So if you're on a budget but still want to look fly, Temiz might be your new best friend. Now, let's talk cameras. Holystone boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. It promises to capture your best angles, even if you woke up like this. Meanwhile, Temiz also offers a 4K UHD camera with the same 110 degrees FOV lens. But wait, there's more. Temiz throws in an extra camera at the bottom for those "I didn't even know I needed this" shots. It's like having a drone that moonlights as a paparazzi. According to reviewers, Holystone's camera is highly praised for its quality and stability, while Temiz's dual camera setup is a hit for its versatility. Next, let's see which one gives you wings. Holystone offers up to 46 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. It's like the drone that never wants to leave the party. Plus, it's got altitude hold, optical flow, and a bunch of other fancy-sounding features that basically mean it's idiot-proof. But wait, Temiz isn't backing down. With its powerful brushless motors and 4 wind resistance levels, it can handle beach winds better than your grandma's sun hat. And let's not forget the gravity control and 3D flips, because why fly straight when you can do barrel rolls? Reviewers say Holystone is easy to fly and stable, making it great for beginners. Temiz, on the other hand, is praised for its durability and fun features. When it comes to design, both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases. The Holystone is like the chic traveler who packs light and stays under 250 grams to avoid FAA registration. Temiz, on the other hand, looks like it just stepped out of a sci-fi movie. Also under 250 grams, so no registration headaches there either. Reviewers appreciate the portability of both drones, noting that they are easy to carry and set up. Now, let's talk about brains, or in this case, intelligent functions. Holystone can trace and follow you, fly along a set path, and even take selfies when you pose. It's like having a personal drone butler. Temiz, however, is no slouch. It has one-touch takeoff, headless mode, and altitude hold, all designed to make you look like a pro, even if you've never flown anything more complex than a paper airplane. Reviewers highlight Holystone's Follow Me and Waypoint functions as standout features, while Temiz is commended for its ease of use and beginner-friendly controls. And lastly, let's talk customer service. Holystone doesn't mention much about it, so you're on your own, buddy. But Temiz has your back with dedicated customer service reps ready to help you out. It's like having a drone therapist on speed dial. Reviewers have mixed feelings about Temiz customer service, but appreciate the effort to provide support. Overall, reviewers find the Holystone GPS drone HS-175D to be a great choice for beginners, thanks to its stability and advanced features. The camera quality and flight experience are particularly praised. On the other hand, Tommy's drones with camera for adults 4K is appreciated for its affordability, durability, and fun features, making it a solid option for those on a budget. So there you have it, folks. The Holystone GPS drone HS175D and the Tammy's 4K drone. Both have their strengths and quirks, like a pair of mismatched socks that somehow still look cool together. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. And check out the product links in the description. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart.